Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 10 to the power of 3 minus x equals 1. So whenever we're solving exponential equations similar to this one, we always want to make sure that our bases here, in this case 10 and 1, we want to make them the same. Because let's just say I have a to the power of x, and this is equal to a to the power of y. Well, we know that these two terms are equal to each other or the same, and we can see that both of them have a base of a. Well, in this case, doesn't that mean that their exponents are the same as well? Because if they're different, then that means this would be wrong. They can't be different because their base is already the same, meaning their exponents have to be the same as well. So in this case, if we were to change the bases so that they're the same, then we would know that the exponents are the same as well, so we could just set the exponents equal to each other and solve for x. So we want to make the bases of 10 and 1 equal each other. Well, that means that we have to change one of the bases. And we can't really change 10 to be equal to 1, so why don't we change 1? Well, 10 to the power of what equals 1? 0, right? Because anything to the power of 0 actually equals 1. So we should change 1 to 10 to the power of 0. And this still equals 10 to the power of 3 minus x. Now notice how these two bases are the same, just like this one. And think of 3 minus x as x and the 0 as y. Because these two bases are the same, then that means that these two exponents are the same as well. So we can just ignore the bases for now and just set 3 minus x equal to 0. And now, as you can see, we've created a simple equation using our method. So now, to get the value of x, we're going to have to make it go to the right side. So we're going to add x on both sides. And these two cancel out, so we're left with 3 equals 0 plus x is x. So now we have our value for x. Now why don't we go ahead and plug it in to our equation. So this gives us 10 to the power of 3 minus 3 equals x. So 3 equals 1. 10 to the power of 3 minus 3 is 0. Equals 1, and remember, anything to the power of 0 equals 1, so 10 to the power of 0 equals 1, so we have 1 equals 1, and this is right, meaning our answer of x equals 3 is right. Welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 9 to the power of x equals 18. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the log of both sides. So now we have log 9 to the power of x equals log 18. So if we have something in the form log a to the power of x, this is known as a power property, and what it means is that we could actually move this exponent in front of the log, meaning this would also equal x log a. So I'm actually going to change log 9 to the power of x into x log 9. And this is equal to log 18. Now, if I divide both sides by log 9, these two cancel out, and I would get x is equal to log 18 over log 9 is the same thing as log 9 times 2 over log 9. And now if I distribute the log to both of these terms in the parentheses, we get x is equal to log 9 times log 2. And we are still dividing this by log 9. And sorry, this is actually a plus. So now, this is equal to log 9 over log 9 plus log 2 over log 9. Now these two cancel out, so we get x is equal to 1 plus log 2 over log, and I'm actually going to replace the 9 with 3 squared. Now remember, we're going to use the same property that we used over here, and I'm going to move the 2 to the front. So I'm actually going to move it right over here. So if you plug in log 2 into the calculator, log 2 is actually equal to approximately 0.301. And log 3 is equal to 0.4771. So now if I plug in these numbers, we would get 1 plus log 2 is 0.301 over 2 times log 3. Well, that would be 0.9542. Now, if you divide these two, you'd get x is equal to 1 plus 0.3154, and 1 plus this would be 1.3154. So this is our answer.